Click on Custom Size. Take 1080 by 1080 pixel size. Click on Create New Design. Next, go to Photos. Search for an orange wall background. Add this image. Click on More, then set the image as background. Now, go to Upload and add your product image. Remove its background. Adjust its size and position. Go to Elements. Search for an orange juice splash. Go to the Graphics section. Add this element. Click on Flip, then flip horizontal. Scale its size and adjust its position. Go to Position, then send it backward. Now, duplicate and overlap. Next, crop to create a composition effect. Duplicate the element. Crop to place it behind. Flip the duplicate element horizontally. Adjust its position. Send it to the back. Duplicate and overlap. Crop this to make a composition effect again. Go to Elements. Search for fresh oranges. Go to the Photos section. Add this orange photo. Place it below the product. Click on Flip, then flip horizontal. Adjust its position. Next, search for a shadow. Go to the Graphics section. Add this circular shadow. Reduce its size. Place it at the bottom of the product. Duplicate and place another one at the bottom of the orange. Select the shadow. Click on Position. Send it to the back. Select the second shadow and send it back as well. Now, select the product, duplicate, and flip it vertically. Place it below the product. Go to Position and send it back. Now, reduce its transparency to 30. Adjust its position. Do the same for the orange. Reduce its transparency to 50. After this, click on Position, go to Layers, select the product's circular shadow. Reduce its transparency to 60. After this, go to Elements. Search for an orange slice. Go to the Photos section. Add an orange slice. Reduce its size. Place it on top of the product. Send it to the back. Duplicate and place it on the left side. Go to Elements. Search for a ripe orange. Go to Photos. Add this orange PNG. Place it on the left side of the canvas. Duplicate and place it on the right side of the canvas. Similarly, add more oranges in different positions. Now select the orange. Click on Edit Image. Go to Blur. Select Whole Image. Set intensity to 75. Now select the orange again. Copy its style. Paste it onto all oranges. Go to Elements. Search for an orange leaf. Go to the Photos section. Add an orange leaf. Now, add this leaf to different positions. After this, select a leaf. Click on Edit. Go to Blur. Set intensity to 75. Now, copy this style and paste it onto some leaves. Next, search for a water splash. Go to the Graphics section. Add an element. Adjust its position. Send it backward. Send some leaves backward to the water splash as well. Now search for an ice cube. Go to Graphics. Add an ice cube element. Crop out one. Place them in different positions. After this, select the water splash. Click on Edit Image, then Duotone. Now, apply the classic effect to match it with the ice cubes. Next, search for a yellow shadow. Go to Graphics. Add a yellow shadow element. Click on Position, then send it back. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type your text. Go to Font. Search for the Mumbai sticker font. Change font size to 150 pixels. Change its color to white. Now, add a subheading. Type your text. Search for Sukar. Choose Sukar black font. Change font size to 40 pixels. Change its color to white. Duplicate and type your text. Click on Elements. Search for a white abstract shape. Go to the Graphics section. Add this element. Flip it horizontally. Adjust its position. Next, search for a squiggly underlined doodle. Go to Graphics. Add a line. Change its color to white. Adjust its position. Again, duplicate and type your text. Choose Sukar bold font. Change font size to 25 pixels. Adjust its position. Similarly, add other text. Go to Elements and search for a brushstroke arrow. Go to Graphics and add an arrow. Place it upon both texts. Now, search for a 3D Order Now button. Go to Graphics. Add this 3D button. Place it in the bottom right corner. Next, search for a shadow. Go to Graphics and add a shadow element. Place it at the bottom of Order Now. Duplicate the button and flip it vertically. Place it below. Reduce its transparency to 20. Search for comic script bubble. Go to Graphics. Add a bubble element. Place it on the top right of the canvas. Change its color to green. Add the price. Go to Font. Search for Poppins. Choose Poppins Bold Font. Change font size to 50 pixels. Place it on the bubble. Next, search for a round label tag. Place it on the bottom left of the canvas. Change its color to green. Now, add the discount text. Change font size to 35 pixels. Reduce letter spacing. Adjust its position. Our design is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.